Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team. Wanted to show you a quick overview here on our courses. So we offer free courses and then courses for our paid membership. So in our basic courses or our free courses, we offer day trading basics, options basics, the regular stock market basics, and then also swing trading basics. So what we offer in our community or how our education breaks down, it's a three-step teaching model. Number one is discover. So in our basic courses, we help you to discover your trading style. And then number two is learn. So you'll learn your trading style in our intermediate courses, which are the membership courses. And then apply, which is number three. In our next level library, we teach you how to apply your trading style in the real world of trading. So these basic courses that you see here are for free members. So the next courses that you'll see here are for paid members. These are our intermediate courses. We start off again with more of the next step for stock market basics, and then you'll see a basic day trading course, an advanced day trading course. We also offer swing trading, basic options, advanced options, futures trading, and then candlestick patterns or price action. I'm going to show you a quick example here of what one of our courses looks like. This is our swing trading course for members. You'll see we have rules, charts, and then strategies and all the different videos inside of it. So you can click through here, come down here, click on a specific video that you want to see. You could also progress by, clicking on a video, marking it complete. But you'll see here, this is just one of our courses, the swing trading course, and you'll see we have several different courses that you can take. You don't have to take every course. You want to take the course that's specific to your trading style. So when you're logged into our members site, you can come up here to education. If you're a free member, you won't see trading courses or next level library. You'll see basic courses. And then once you've taken the basic courses or the one that fits your trading style, then you can join over here and get access to our intermediate courses. To get access to our free courses, you can click to register right here. You'll see a pop-up come up. Just enter your email, click register, and you'll get a welcome email with your login info. You can also enter your email here and click register. So either click register button here will give you access to our free courses. If you want to become a paid member, when you come down over here, you'll see everything that's included. And then when you come down over here, you can click on sign up, and this will take you to our sign up page. And then you'll see right down here, pricing, and you can come down, choose your pricing level, and then click on join us. Included in our paid membership, you'll see right up over here, we have trade rooms, watch lists, and trade alerts. We also have a Discord as well. So if you become a paid member, you'll get all of our services. If you want to start off and become a free user, you'll get access to our free courses. And then when you're ready in the back end, if you are a basic member or a free member, when you're ready to join, you can click on this orange button over here.